Afterpay and Sezzle are two great buy now pay later services. The video compares everything you need to know about the two. So let's get started. Starting with accessibility, Afterpay is available in Australia, the US, the UK, Canada and New Zealand. Sezzle, on the other hand, is available in the US and Canada right now. Both offer iOS and Android apps for easier access. The Afterpay app also enables generating a barcode and an Afterpay card to shop in store. There's also a difference between the number of stores supporting both. Afterpay is supported by over 48,000 retailers worldwide. Sezzle, in comparison, is offered by over 34,000 stores across both countries. So, how do you sign up on either? Well, both require some information including your email address, date of birth, card or your bank account, verified ID, and your phone number. Regarding the credit check, Afterpay does not, but Sezzle does a soft credit check before giving you the maximum limit. This brings us to where you can use both. Both can be used online. You can search for a store on their website or in the application. On the checkout page, the service option is visible. Clicking on that button goes to their website, prompting you to sign in. After that process, the store gets your account data, and after a couple of messages, you are ready to pay. Regarding in-store, it's a bit different. Afterpay offers two options to pay in-store. The old-fashioned way is to generate a barcode in the app and show it to the store staff. The second option is generating an Afterpay card and saving it to Google Pay or Apple Pay. The card, however, needs to be activated every time you use it. Sezzle, on the other hand, does not offer the barcode option, but you get a virtual card to add to Google or Apple Pay. The limit of the virtual card is lower than the total limit, and you must apply for it to use it in store. The next topic is limits. Starting with Afterpay, you get about $500 in the beginning. Depending on your location, it might be different. However, as you shop more, the limit automatically increases. The maximum limit you can get with Afterpay is $1,500, but in Australia, they can offer up to $2,000. Sezzle, in contrast, offers around $200 initially, but just like Afterpay, the limit increases as you go. The company offers up to $2,500 to spend. Moving on, both charge a late fee if you can't pay on time. Afterpay charges a $10 fee if the order value is less than $40. The fee switches to 25% of the total installment if the order value is above $40. The late fee gives you additional 7 days to pay, and if you can't clear the payment within 7 days, you are charged an additional $7. Sezzle, on the other hand, gives you additional 2 days to pay the fortnightly payment. But if you don't make a payment within 2 days, you are charged $10 in the US, and your account is deactivated until you don't pay back. Alright, the next topic is about the risks of using BNPL services. As Afterpay does not run credit checks, the company is not aware whether its customers have enough money to pay back. This causes debt issues. Other risks of BNPL services include overspending and difficulties in managing finances. So, my suggestion is always spend what you can pay back. So which one should you choose? The whole comparison breaks down into stores, shopping type, and countries. If most of your stores offer one but not the other, then you should go with that. If you like to have an in-store option, Afterpay is the one to select. If only one is available in your nation, you don't have a choice. Anyway, here we end this video. Thanks very much for watching, and let me know your final choice in the comments down below, and like the video if it helped.